Are you looking for the Shark Rotator Lift-Away DuoClean Pro Vacuum Cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features. Suction power. The Shark Rotator Pro ZU782 to leave no stone unturned. It has the requisite suction to powerfully pick up a wide array of dirt, dust, pet dander, pet hair, and any other debris. So, you need not worry about acquiring a vacuum that will disappoint you in this regard. The vacuum sucks in small and large debris in equal measure. You can also control the suction depending on the task at hand. Lift-away technology. Once in a while, you need to clean under furniture and other tight spots such as stairs. But a conventional upright may pose a challenge. More often than not, the large canister is inseparable from the rest of the unit. Therefore, it becomes a tall order to reach and clean such spaces. You can easily detach the dirt canister from the rest of the unit. This way, the size of the vacuum is drastically reduced, leaving with the light wand that you can easily manipulate accordingly. DuoClean Technology. Most homes nowadays have multi-floor installations. While a few still have all bare or all carpet floors, most people like to mix things up. A mix of bare floors, tile, marble, laminate, concrete, or vinyl, and carpets is common. Throw in some area rugs too. Self-Cleaning Brushroll. The ZU782 has 0M anti-hair wrap technology. When cleaning a room where pets and humans have shed hair, you always have to stop and remove tangled hair from the brush-rolls. Anti-hair wrap technology ensures that the brush-rolls are self-cleaning. They are made in such a way that as you vacuum hair, it is continually untangled from the brush. This is not to say that the technology is perfect. Filtration System. Allergies and asthma affect a large number of the populace. There are many things you can do to fight allergies, including buying a good air purifier. This way, allergens that have been picked up by the vacuum remain inside the dirt canister. It utilizes an anti-allergen complete seal technology to trap in all pollutants. Also, a HEPA filter is available to increase efficiency. HEPA filters are known to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns in diameter. This translates to an efficiency rate of up to 99.97%. So, if you need to fight allergies and asthma, this is a fantastic option. Pros. Efficient pet hair pickup. Very easy to maneuver. It has LED lighting. Excellent above-floor cleaning. Easy to empty and clean the dirt canister. Washable filters to save money. Fantastic filtration helps to fight allergies and asthma. Cons. Power button is not placed on the handle. Cannot turn off the brush rollers.